Hadley, who are we drawing today?
Cupcake and Dino.
General Services.
Yay!
We hope you guys are going to follow along with us. What do they need for this art project?
Marker, paper, and something to color with.
Yes, and if you don't have a marker, you can use whatever you feel comfortable drawing with. You ready to start?
Yes.
Let's first draw Cupcake over here on the left. And we're going to draw his face first. We're going to draw two ovals like this, right next to each other. They're kind of circles too. You draw it right about there so we have room for his cupcake frosting on the side. Then right here in the middle, we're going to draw a little smile like that. But we're going to turn this into a jelly bean shape. So we're going to curve around and then connect over here on the other side like that. Looks like a jelly bean. Yeah, all the way over and then connect. Good. Now let's draw his teeth. We're going to draw 3 bumps on the bottom of the jelly bean shape. There's teeth, and then we can draw his tongue curving down and touching the teeth. All right, Hadley, we drew his face. Now he has a big eyebrow, but we're going to draw that at the end. Let's draw his frosting. We're going to draw a little curved V in between his eyes and above his eyes. Like that, yep, and then curve back down. Almost looks like the letter A. Then we're going to draw 2 curves, one on each side. We're going to draw a curve that comes out like this, and a curve that comes out on the other side like that. Yes, and then one on the other side. Then we're going to draw another bump that comes out a little further. We're going to draw, comes out like this, and then we'll draw another one.
It looks like the poo emoji.
It kind of does look like, it looks exactly like the poo emoji. Yes. All right, and then we're going to connect the bottom all the way across. Now let's draw his body, or the bottom part of the cupcake. We're going to draw 2 lines that come down on each side. Then let's connect these 2 lines. We're going to curve up like this and then back down.
Oh.
I like how small your cupcake is. Then let's draw 1 line in the middle, and then we're going to draw 2 lines on each side, one on each side. All right, Hadley, what's he missing?
His arms.
His arms? Okay, first we're going to draw a shirt or a t-shirt sleeve. So we're going to draw 2 lines, one on each side, it comes out. And then we can connect it back in to his body on both sides. And we're going to draw him with his arms up in the air. So we're going to draw 2 lines that come out like this. And they're right next to each other. They're really close. And let's do the same thing on the other side. Yes. Perfect.
Look how small that one is.
Yeah, he's got...
That one.
That's okay. Then we can draw his thumb, and it's really small. So we'll draw his thumb sticking out. And you could draw it coming back a little bit more, closer to his... There we go. And then we're going to draw 3 more fingers, and they're super small, and then connect it into the other side. And let's do the same thing, repeat it over here on this side too. So the thumb, and then we're going to draw 3 more fingers and connect it in. Now let's draw his legs. And Cupcakes and Dino's legs are just look like little sticks. Yeah. So we're going to draw a bent line. We're going to draw it like this.
When they walk so slow.
All right. I love this cartoon so much. And then we're going to draw another bent line right next to it. Just like we did with the arms. Really close. Good. And then we can connect the top and the bottom. There's one leg. Then let's draw another leg. We're going to do the same thing. Draw a bent line.
They're not attached to his body.
Yeah, they will be. And then we're going to draw another line right next to it. And then connect the top and the bottom. All right, now let's connect. We're going to draw a line that goes like this. And imagine it going through the legs, connecting, and coming back up.
Yeah.
Now it's connected to his body. All right, we just need to do one more thing, and that's add his eyebrow. And we're gonna draw a big curve like this that goes over the top of his eyes. Then I'm gonna draw another curve right underneath it. And then we can connect both sides and then color it in so it's solid. All right, we drew Cupcake. Now we need to draw Dino. And he's got a lot of the same steps. So first we're gonna draw his eyes, but this time his eyes are circles. So we're gonna draw a circle about this size, and we're gonna draw another one right next to it. Yes. And then inside we're gonna draw his pupils. So we're gonna draw a small little dot inside each circle. Okay, next we're gonna draw his mouth, and it's a bean shape, just like Cupcake. So we're first gonna draw the little smile in between his eyes. Then we're gonna draw the bean that comes around like this and connects to the other side.
It so looks like a bean.
It does, it looks exactly like one. Now this time on Dino's mouth, we're gonna draw the teeth on the top. So we're gonna draw little bumps at the top of his mouth. Then we could draw the tongue underneath with a little curve. Now let's draw his head. We're gonna start right here, and we're gonna draw this funny C shape. So we're gonna start right here. We're gonna draw, comes around like this, down, and then underneath. Yeah, keep going. Oh, perfect. Okay, now we can draw the rest of his body. It's gonna come back like this and then curve down. Okay, then we could draw his belly. So we're gonna start right here, and we're gonna draw a curve that comes underneath like this and then back up. And look at this, I'm outside his back. I didn't connect to his back. Good, and then we can connect it in with a line straight across. There's the main shape of Dino. What's he missing on his head?
His special headband.
Special headband. Okay, we're gonna draw a line that goes right across the top of his eyes. And then we could draw another one right above it. And then we can draw his arms. So first I'm gonna draw two lines that come out. Now it's really the exact same steps as Cupcake. So we're gonna draw two lines there. I'm also gonna draw two lines inside his body because I'm running out of room over here. You could draw it outside if you wanted, but I'm kind of running out of room. So you have enough room.
Maybe.
Yeah, you could do it. Perfect.
There.
Then let's do the same thing that we did for Cupcake. We're gonna draw a thumb. And then we're gonna draw 3 fingers and connect it into the other arm line. Let's do the same thing over here. Thumb, and then 3 more fingers. All right, now let's draw his legs. We're gonna draw 2 bent lines coming out from his belly, and I'm gonna draw 2 more down here. Then let's connect the bottom of each leg. All right, we're missing one last little texture, and it's in his armpit. We're gonna draw little scales. Draw a U shape, and then we're gonna draw 2 more U's underneath that one, and then 1 more underneath those 2. We did it, Hadley. We finished drawing Cupcake and Dino, and they turned out perfect, except we still need to do one last thing. What is it?
Color it.
Yeah, we need to color them. It's gonna look so much better once we color them. And this part we're gonna fast forward, but at the end, you guys can pause it to match the same coloring. We finished coloring Cupcake and Dino. Hadley, and your drawing is my favorite. I especially love Cupcake. I don't know why, he just makes me laugh. Who's your favorite?
Dino, because I love dinosaurs.
You love dinosaurs? I do too. Especially ones with headbands.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing Cupcake and Dino. Dino.
Yes, we do. We hope you had a lot of fun. And if you haven't seen the cartoon yet, you got to check it out on Netflix. We'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.